All right, I'm back. Had to swap it out with the replacement part. It's been a while. I was driving around and the door was just flapping, open and close. If I turn too hard to the left, boom. If I turn too hard to the right, I can slap it back in. On the highway, it would get basically flat. But here we are. This is the issue. Again, on the old one, it's just stripped apparently because that is no longer protruding. So this was so much easier doing it the second time. I don't know if it's because the grooves are wore out here, but removing it was very simple. I took screws out, pulled on it, and it came right out. This one as well, putting this back inside for the new one. Very easy. Of course, to take this off, there's a push pin. You need to pull it up, so you got to pry it up. Get a screwdriver and pry it up, and then this will slide right off. This is how this looks. It'll slide right off. Slide right back on. Reinsert your 3 screws, which are 3 screws. Slide right in there. Go right in. Boom. Put it back in. And yeah, this is probably gonna take me 10 minutes. During my first attempt, this took me like an hour, you know. But very simple. Pull it back out. The replacement part, matter of fact, cost me, oh, that's tire rack. I need that one. Well, that's both tire rack. I think it was like $30 at the most, man. It was real cheap, you know. But to have somebody install this for you at Ford, they're gonna take their time and they're gonna hit you with those labor charges and make their jobs stay busy, get those hours. So here we go. Just putting it back on. I'm gonna give you a finish here in just a second.